Honestly, we need to stop acting like being a clean girl requires a $100 gift card to Sephora because real hygiene is actually free. It starts in the shower, and if you aren't using a washcloth, you're kind of missing the point. A plain cotton washcloth is the best $0 tool you own because it actually scrubs away dead skin and bacteria that just rinsing with your hands won't touch. Focus on the hot zones, like your underarms, behind your ears, and your feet. If you want that expensive spa skin feel, just head to your kitchen and mix a little white sugar with a drop of oil to make a scrub. It's literally the same thing as the high-end stuff and leaves you glowing. And before you hop out, hit yourself with a 30-second cold water rinse. It sounds dramatic, but it seals your hair cuticles for that mirror-like shine and tightens your pores so you stay fresh longer. Moving on to your face and hair, the biggest secret to clear skin is just keeping your hands off it and using ice. Grab an ice cube from your freezer, wrap it in a thin, clean rag, and massage your face in the morning. It depuffs your eyes and wakes up your skin better than any expensive cream ever could. For your hair, the best thing you can do for free is a deep scalp massage every night with your fingertips. It moves your natural oils down the hair shaft so your ends don't get dry and brittle. Also, please go wash your hairbrush right now with a little bit of soap and warm water. If you're brushing your clean hair with a dusty, oily brush, you're just making it dirty all over again. It's a tiny habit, but it makes a massive difference in how long your hair stays looking fresh. For your body, make sure you're drinking your water, because staying hydrated actually dilutes your sweat so it doesn't have a strong odor. Another trick is to take an unwrapped bar of soap, even a cheap one from the guest bathroom, and tuck it into your clothes drawer. Your clothes will soak up that clean, soapy scent, and you'll smell like fresh laundry all day without even trying. Hygiene isn't about the products you buy, it's about the effort you put into the basics, and you can totally be the freshest girl in the room for $0. We also need to talk about intimate health, because there's this huge myth that you need special scented soaps or feminine washes to be fresh. The truth is, that part of your body is actually self-cleaning. Using soaps, especially the ones with heavy perfumes, on the inside actually ruins your natural balance and can cause irritations or odors that weren't even there to begin with. All you really need is warm water and a clean washcloth for the outside areas only. Another huge $0 tip for staying fresh is just sticking to cotton underwear. Cotton is super breathable and prevents moisture buildup, which is usually the main cause of any discomfort. If you have synthetic or lace pairs, maybe save those for special occasions and stick to cotton for your daily routine. Also, just sleeping without any layers. Once in a while lets everything breathe and stay balanced. It's a simple, free habit that keeps your body working exactly the way it's supposed to. Hand and nail maintenance. People always notice your hands, and keeping them clean is a total hygiene pro move. You don't need a manicure. Use an old clean toothbrush and a little bit of soap to scrub under your nails every night. It gets rid of all the hidden dirt you don't even realize is there. To keep your cuticles from looking ragged, just massage a tiny drop of cooking oil, like olive or coconut oil, into your nail beds before bed. It's the exact same thing as a high-end cuticle oil. It makes your hands look so put together and clean girl aesthetic for absolutely $0. Ear and tech hygiene. This is a point most people completely forget. Your phone and your earbuds. Think about how many times you touch your phone and then touch your face, or how much earwax builds up on your buds. Once a week, take a tiny bit of rubbing alcohol, or even just a damp cloth with a drop of soap, and wipe down your screen and your ear tips. It keeps bacteria away from your pores and prevents those random breakouts on your cheeks or ears. It takes 2 minutes and costs nothing, but it's the difference between someone who looks clean and someone who is clean. Foot care and shoe hacks. If you're worried about foot odor, the fix is actually sitting in your kitchen cabinet. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer. If your favorite sneakers are starting to smell, just sprinkle a little baking soda in them overnight and shake it out in the morning. It absorbs everything. Also, never wear the same pair of shoes 2 days in a row if you can help it. Giving them 24 hours to breathe and dry out completely prevents bacteria from growing. It's a simple rotation habit that keeps you and your closet smelling like absolutely nothing, which is the goal. The $0 emergency hygiene kit. Now we have to talk about the emergency kit. You don't need to go out and buy a fancy pre-made travel set. You can literally build this from things already lying around your house. Add a small, clean washcloth or a few cotton pads to your kit. If it's a hot day and you're feeling a bit sweaty, you can go to the school bathroom, dampen the cloth with cool water, and just pat your neck and wrists. It instantly lowers your body temperature and stops you from getting that sticky feeling. If you have a tiny bit of your favorite scented lotion or even just a nice smelling bar of soap at home, rub a little bit of the scent onto the cotton pads and seal them in a small baggie. Use them to wipe your pulse points for a quick, free scent boost. Staying fresh is all about being prepared, and this kit ensures you never have to worry about the little things while you're out living your life. Breath and smile on the go. To keep your breath fresh in your kit without buying expensive mints, grab a small container and put a few pinches of cinnamon or a couple of dried cloves from the kitchen inside. Chewing on these, or just having them in your mouth for a second, is a natural way to kill bacteria and smells amazing. What's one thing you always have in your bag to feel fresh? Let me know in the comments. I'm looking for more $0 ideas to add to my own kit.